Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a piece of cookware that promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience: the signature enameled cast iron Braiser. This isn't just another pot, it's a versatile workhorse designed to handle everything from a slow Sunday roast to a quick weeknight sauté. Let's start with what this Braiser claims to be. The marketing paints it as an one-and-done solution for your culinary needs. It's touted for slow roasting, baking, cooking, braising, boiling, broiling, searing, sautéing, deep frying, and even slow cooking. That's a pretty ambitious list, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. One of the key selling points is its superior heat distribution and retention, thanks to the ROSSALLINI enameled cast iron. This is crucial for even cooking, ensuring your meats are tender and your vegetables are perfectly cooked, without any hot spots that can lead to uneven browning or burning. Then there's the lid. It's described as an advanced domed lid designed to circulate steam and retain moisture. This means continuous basting, essentially allowing your food to self-baste in its own juices. This feature is fantastic for locks in flavor and moisture, resulting in that authentic home-cooked taste we all crave. Durability is another major focus. This Braiser is crafted from a flame-proof, non-porous enamel, which means it's resistant to common issues like odors, chipping, cracking, crazing, and rippling. The vibrant finish is also designed to be a statement piece in your kitchen, something you'll be proud to serve from at any gathering. Cleaning is often a dreaded part of cooking, but ROSSALLINI claims to have solved that with a glazed interior that requires no seasoning and prevents scratches and knife marks. The smooth porcelain enamel is designed to let even the stickiest sauces and melted cheeses slide right off. This could be a game-changer for anyone who finds scrubbing pots a chore. A unique touch that adds a touch of personalization is the option to customize the knob. It comes with a sleek stainless steel silver knob, but you also get an included gold knob for a more rustic aesthetic. The knobs and handles are also designed to be ergonomic, making lifting and carrying easier, even when the pot is full. Finally, the company backs this product with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. They believe that good food brings people together and aims to bring great cookware to every kitchen. This confidence in their product is definitely reassuring for potential buyers. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this ROSSALLINI enameled cast iron Braiser. On the pro side, the sheer versatility is a massive advantage. If this Braiser can truly handle all the cooking methods it claims, it could significantly reduce the number of pots and pans you need. The promise of superior heat distribution and retention is a hallmark of quality cast iron, and the enameled coating simplifies maintenance considerably. The self-basting lid is a fantastic feature for locking in moisture and flavor, perfect for slow-cooked dishes. The durability and resistance to common enamel issues are also big wins, suggesting a long lifespan for this piece. And of course, the ease of cleaning, if it performs as advertised, is a huge draw. The customizable knob adds a nice aesthetic touch. However, we do need to consider potential cons. While advertised as non-stick, enameled cast iron can still require a bit of care to maintain its best performance, especially with very delicate items. Cast iron, even enameled, can be heavy, which might be a consideration for some users, particularly when lifting it in and out of a hot oven. The 3.5 quart size is good for smaller families or specific dishes, but might be too small for larger gatherings or very substantial roasts. While the enamel is durable, it's not indestructible and can chip if dropped or handled roughly, although the company claims resistance to chipping. In conclusion, the ROSSALLINI signature enameled cast iron Braiser presents itself as a highly capable and versatile piece of cookware. Its focus on even heating, moisture retention, and ease of cleaning makes it an attractive option for home cooks looking to elevate their culinary creations. The blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal, with the option to customize the knob, further enhances its appeal. If it delivers on its promises, this Braiser could indeed become an indispensable tool in your kitchen. Link in the description.